Frigo is a fridge, eh? Frigo is a fridge. By Mbilia Bel. Nakomaki nadako nanga na Kinshasa na moni. I entered my house in Kinshasa, I saw. Biloko bikoti nandako nandimi. I had very good things in the house, eh? Natali ndako. I looked at my house everywhere. Na moni zoba, but I felt crazy. Nabimisi family nanga mobima baye. I brought my whole family to my house. Baleki are the young ones. Bayaya, elders. Basepeli, they were very happy. Anga Nazui, I had gotten everything. Kasi eloko moko bazalinga nde in monumental. But only one thing they did that was monumental. Just in my house in Kinshasa, I saw. I accepted the good things, most of them in the house. I looked in the house, I saw everything, and then I felt crazy. Na bengisi faminanga, I called all my family, they came to my house. So the young ones, the elders, they were very happy because I had gotten. But only one thing they did to me that was monumental. That fridge. Frigo, the fridge. So Lanoki, do very fast, asking where's the fridge? Frigo Ekota, do very fast and bring the fridge. So just saying she was missing a fridge. Where's the fridge? Do very fast.